Welcome back to Abra Knowledge channel. Today we are going to discuss design of experiment Taguchi model, and we are going to do it in Minitab. This is coming from the book called Total Quality Management, 5th edition Pearson model and Pearson edition, and page number 521, and specifically in DOE. This is a part 3 video. Let's go and see the data set. And this is the same data set which we have used it in the previous video for the factorial one. And basically in the past we have done that approach one using ANOVA, analysis of variance, and then factorial design. And then today we are going to do it very advanced level called Taguchi model. So to do that, this is the data set, and the speed, pressure and time are the factors, and response is the output. And there is a all these values been converted to 1 and 2s. 1 referred to low and 2 referred to high, right? For example, like 1 refers to 5 minutes and 2 refers to 10 minutes. So there are 8 runs being done. So what I will do, I will copy this value, and the same things being explained in this total quality management, and depiction is there. But particularly I'm going to do it in Minitab. So the same thing I have done it. I have just copy paste the data, and all you have to do is you have to go to stat DOE, and when you do any experiment in DOE, design of experiment, the first step to do it, define that one, define the custom Taguchi, have it define it. So I'm going to take 3 factors: factor 1, factor 2 and factor 3, right? All these been there, and you can give OK. So now the first thing what we have done is define. Once define is done, and you can go back to the Taguchi, and then you can analyze the data. To do the analysis, basically what you're doing is you're feeding that response one, and you can also have in graph also as well, just in case. And you can also do that analysis, right? Various things you can get to know that. Even if you wanted to know that signal to noise ratio also, you can have it do that. So let me just give OK. So now what it has given me, that interaction of these 3 factors: speed, pressure and time. And if you wanted to give that summary, the biggest advantage of the Taguchi model, you can rank the priority, right? Similarly, if you go to the session folder, you can see that first is the pressure is a very important factor, and then followed by time, followed by the last one is a speed. So you also get the delta value, and you also get that the ranking is the one which is very interesting in Taguchi model. And this is the uniqueness of Taguchi model. Let's continue the one. Now the last thing what we will do, we'll go and do an analysis. So after the analysis, you can predict using Taguchi results, right? We need all these one, and you can give a term, right side. These are all the terms which we have selected, and all the terms. And level, you can give a levels. So speed, I'm going to key in the speed, select the variable store in the worksheet, and pressure, I'm going to take pressure, and time, I'm going to take time. Give OK, give OK. And interestingly, it has given that mean value everything. And let me show you in the data sheet. If you see here, all these values have been already there, right? For example, if you set up that speed low, pressure low and time low, and what is the response time, you will get it. All this it is given, even in the run level it has given. That's the biggest advantage of Taguchi, right? To do that Taguchi, you remember you have to go to the stat, DOE and Taguchi, and then first you have to do a define, then analyze, then this tab will get opened up. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have a wonderful day ahead.